In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs in Webflow. If you're looking to enhance your website's interactivity and user experience, tabs are a fantastic way to organize content efficiently. They're incredibly useful for displaying related information without overwhelming your visitors. So, let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to integrate tabs into your Webflow project. Start by opening your Webflow project. Once you're within your project dashboard, press the letter A on your keyboard. This action triggers the Addition panel, which allows you to incorporate various elements onto your page. As you prepare to add tabs, it's important to visualize how tabs can streamline the user experience by categorizing content effectively. Next, we'll add a new section to your page. A section serves as a foundational block, helping you organize your layout in a structured manner. To do this, locate the Add Section button within the panel. Click on it, and you'll notice a new section appear on your canvas. This space is where you'll be adding all your interactive components. Remember, maintaining a clear layout encourages a better flow of content, making it easier for users to navigate your website. Following that, you'll need to add a container along with other supportive elements. Containers are essential to ensure that your content is manageable and responsive across different device sizes. They act as an invisible boundary, keeping your content aligned neatly. Within the Addition panel, select and add a container. Once your container is in place, add any other outer elements necessary for your design plan. Keep in mind that a well-organized container aids in creating a professional and polished look, which can significantly impact user satisfaction. Now we're at the stage where the real magic happens. Adding the tab component itself. Tabs will allow your users to switch between different content areas without leaving the main page. To add tabs, navigate again to the Elements panel and search for the tab component. Once located, simply drag it into the section you've prepared. You'll see the default tab layout on your screen, which typically includes a tab menu and linked tab panes. Customization is key to tailoring these tabs to fit within the aesthetics of your site. Adjust the styling, colors, and typography of the tabs to match your brand's look and feel. This can be done through the Styling panel, which offers a wide range of options to personalize every aspect of the tabs. Ensure the interface is seamless and visually pleasing, as this will greatly impact user engagement and interaction. With everything in place, take a moment to review your work. Test the tabs to ensure they function smoothly. Click through each tab, verifying the corresponding content displays correctly and that the transition is seamless. Testing ensures reliability and provides a robust user experience once your website is live, and there you have it. You've just added tabs to your Webflow project, enhancing the efficiency and user experience of your site. With these steps, you can effectively organize your content in a sophisticated manner. Thank you for watching and happy designing.